back to my YouTube channel, and today it is actually Science Week, so I'm doing some science. So yeah, and we are going to be planting some cress seeds. And I actually love cress. Like, I love cress and butter sandwiches. Like, they're lovely. You should definitely try them sometime. Yeah. Anyway, we're going to be putting some, and the reason it's a science experiment is because if you look very carefully, you might not be able to see on the camera, but on each one there's a special sticker that says something. And the reason that it's an experiment is because we're going to put them in different places. Like, one's going to go in a cool place, one's going to be one's going to go inside a cupboard, one's going to have no water but still go on a windowsill. So like, there's different things that the plants are going to, where they're going to go and what they're going to have. So yeah, so let's get planted.
Yeah, experiment.
So we've got our cress seeds. I really hope there is enough.
Yeah, that should be enough.
For all of them.
Cool.
Okay, so is that enough for one? Well, how much?
Yeah, maybe probably 4 in each, equal amount.
That means there's going to be 4 shoots. Okay.
Yeah.
So, and all of them except from the one have got to be even. I might put like a few more.
Same amount in
Like
each
that.
one. Yeah.
So just a few seeds in each one. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see, because the seeds are way too tiny to actually see anything. Like, you can barely see them on my hand. There, you can barely see them. Okay, so same thing. And cress, the thing is, you don't really need to cover it over. You can just like lay it on the top.
Yeah. Put the same amount, equal amount in each one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6 and 1 more.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, and so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Cool. And the last one you plant in the same.
Yeah, because that's it. Wait. That was that one.
Okay.
Right. So we'll just change the label. Just change the label.
Yep.
Just change the label. So guys, there's one that all of the things have got to be in the same place.
Ooh. Good spot,
Yeah.
Miss Scientist.
So I'm just gonna. They've all got to be in the middle. I don't know how many I've put in, but I think
7.
that's 7. Right there. That's 7. Okay, it's just 4 of those.
Yep.
Yeah. Right. So, guys, what I'm going to tell you now is we can't really show you us putting them in the cupboard, because you've got to wait for them to germinate, and germinate means they've got like a tiny little plant, like this, tiny little plant, like one of the small ones. So what we're going to do is we're just going to have to wait for like a week,
7 days.
7 days, yeah, about, and they're just going to germinate. But just before we do that, I'm just going to show you which all of them are. So this one is going to go in a cool place. So, but the thing is, in these science experiments, you only change one thing on each one. Compared to this one, is it in a cool place. We were going to put it in a fridge, but then we realised the fridge has no light. If you didn't know that, the light only comes on when the fridge is open. So yeah, so this one has got to still have light and water. We've still got to give it light, and we've still got to give it water. So because they've got to be in the same place. So we're going to put it in the cellar, because there is light in the cellar, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a bit
Cool.
light.
Because there's a window.
Yeah.
Okay, this one is just going to be on a windowsill, needs water and sunlight. So this is just like a normal one. Like this would just sit there, not here, but it would just sit here. We would every day give it water and it would just stay there like a normal plant. Compared to this one, it goes inside a cupboard. And something funny, we don't actually have many cupboards at home. Like we have like our kitchen cupboards that are full of food, but like in our rooms, like we don't really have that many cupboards because the only cupboard that I think I've actually got in my room, we've got quite a lot of drawers, but cupboards, there's only one cupboard in my room, except for my wardrobe. Yeah, but it's under my desk, so I'm gonna put it in there because that's like
Cool place to put it.
yeah, but it has no light because cupboards normally don't have light. So and then this one is going to go on the windowsill like this one, but with no water. We're not giving it any water. And then this one is seeds in the same place. And if you look, all of the seeds are in the same place, in the middle, compared to this one, all of the seeds just scattered around. So, yeah. And this one still needs water and sunlight.
Cool.
So, yes.
See you in 7 days
Bye.
and see how the process is going.
Home.
Remember to subscribe.
For good luck. So,